Hotel loyalty programs, best perks explained. When travelers hear about hotel loyalty programs, many immediately think of complicated rules or the idea that only frequent business guests can truly benefit. The truth is that loyalty programs are designed for all types of travelers, including families, solo adventurers, and people who simply want more value from their stay. By joining one, you are essentially entering a system where every night, every meal, and even some activities can start working in your favor. It is not about spending more money, but about learning how to unlock the rewards that are already available. This makes hotel loyalty programs one of the simplest yet most overlooked travel tools. The foundation of every loyalty program is the point system. But most guests never bother to learn how it actually works. In simple terms, every dollar you spend in a hotel can translate into points that later buy you free nights, discounts, or special perks. Some hotels even reward you for booking directly through their websites or apps, meaning you can earn extra points just by skipping third-party booking platforms. The important thing to remember is that these points accumulate over time, even if you only travel a few times per year. Once you understand this, every trip suddenly becomes part of a bigger strategy. With consistency, even casual travelers can see their efforts turn into free nights or complimentary services. Another hidden benefit of loyalty programs is that they often include perks from the very first stay, not just after years of traveling. For example, some hotels allow members to check in earlier or check out later without paying extra fees. Others might provide free bottles of water, faster Wi-Fi, or small welcome gifts. While these may seem like minor benefits, they add up quickly, especially if you are traveling with family or staying multiple nights. Think of it as being recognized not just as a guest, but as a valued participant in the hotel's community. These touches create a smoother and more enjoyable travel experience. Now here is where many travelers miss an opportunity. Loyalty programs are not limited to luxury hotels or frequent flyers. Even smaller, family-run hotels or independent properties often have their own versions. They might not have a complex online platform, but they offer simple punch card systems or repeat guest discounts. Staying at the same independent hotel twice could mean your third night is discounted, or you may be offered free breakfast the next time. These smaller programs may not sound glamorous, but they are incredibly powerful because they add a personal touch that big chains sometimes lack. Guests who return are often remembered by staff, which creates a sense of belonging and comfort. At this point, it is worth pausing for a small reminder. If you are enjoying this guide and appreciate learning how to make travel smarter, we would love to hear from you. Let us know where you are watching from and on which device, because we enjoy seeing the variety of our audience around the world. Your interaction helps this channel grow and ensures we can keep sharing hotel secrets with you. So if this style of content is useful to you, consider subscribing and becoming part of this community of smart travelers. One of the most attractive parts of hotel loyalty programs is the possibility of free upgrades. While many assume upgrades are reserved for VIP guests, loyalty members often get access to this benefit more frequently. Sometimes it means a higher floor with a better view, other times a larger room with more space. These upgrades do not always cost the hotel much, but they create a huge impact on your stay. For the traveler, the sense of being treated as special goes a long way in making the trip memorable. Learning how to position yourself for upgrades is a skill worth having. A useful tip here is to always add your loyalty number to the reservation before arriving. This ensures that the hotel's system recognizes you as a member right away. Staff are more likely to prioritize upgrades and extra perks when they see your membership status attached to the booking. Arriving early and politely asking about availability can also increase your chances. It is never about demanding, but about showing genuine interest and leaving room for the staff to help you. The key is to combine membership with a little travel etiquette. Another important but less talked about perk involves earning points outside of just room bookings. Many loyalty programs extend rewards to hotel restaurants, bars, and even partner activities like spa treatments. This means that the money you spend during your stay does more than just cover the bill. Every meal, every drink, and every service can move you closer to your next free night. Some programs also partner with airlines, rideshare apps, or credit card companies, which multiplies the opportunities to earn. For a traveler who is willing to connect the dots, these small actions compound into major rewards. Guests often underestimate how valuable early access can be. Many hotels release special deals or discounted nights exclusively to their loyalty members. These offers are not always advertised on popular booking sites, making them hidden treasures. Being a member means you sometimes receive notifications of flash sales or seasonal promotions before anyone else. Even if you are not ready to travel immediately, keeping track of these emails can save hundreds of dollars later. The real advantage here is timing, and loyalty programs make sure their members are first in line. Finally, loyalty programs are designed to reward consistency, but not necessarily high spending. You do not have to be a business traveler living out of a suitcase to benefit. By simply returning to the same group of hotels over time, you start unlocking higher levels of membership. Each tier usually comes with bigger perks like free breakfasts, priority reservations, or late checkouts guaranteed. The progression is meant to motivate you, but it also provides real benefits that enhance each stay. With patience and a little planning, the rewards can grow surprisingly fast. One of the underestimated features of loyalty programs is the way they build long-term trust between guest and hotel. Each stay becomes part of a relationship rather than just a transaction. Over time, staff start to recognize loyal guests, which leads to more personalized service. This can mean being welcomed by name, having your favorite type of pillow already prepared, or even small surprises like a complimentary dessert at dinner. These details create comfort and familiarity, which can transform travel from stressful to enjoyable. In many cases, the emotional value of being treated as a known guest is just as important as the financial savings. Another perk that deserves attention is priority support. When something goes wrong with your booking or you need assistance, loyalty members often skip long waiting lines. Hotels usually have separate phone numbers or email contacts for members, ensuring faster solutions. Imagine the difference when your flight is delayed and you need to adjust your reservation. Being a loyalty member can mean the change happens in minutes instead of hours. While this benefit is not as flashy as a room upgrade, it can save a trip from turning into a nightmare. Fast support is a perk many people do not think about until they need it. An additional layer of rewards often comes in the form of partnerships. Hotels work with car rental agencies, restaurants, and even entertainment venues to offer discounts or bonus points. This means your loyalty program stretches far beyond the hotel itself. Renting a car through a partner company could earn you double points, or dining at a specific local restaurant could trigger bonus rewards. The best part is that these partnerships are designed to integrate into your natural travel routine. You are not forced to change your habits, but instead you earn rewards for doing what you already planned. It is also worth noting that some programs allow you to share or transfer points. Families traveling together can often pool their points into one account, reaching free nights faster. Friends who travel as a group can do the same, especially if they are staying at the same hotel chain repeatedly. This cooperative feature makes loyalty programs more flexible and inclusive. Instead of working alone to collect benefits, you can team up with people close to you. It turns travel into a shared strategy, which makes vacations more affordable and rewarding for everyone involved. Smart travelers also use loyalty programs as a budgeting tool. By knowing that future trips will be partly covered by points, they can plan vacations with more confidence. It is easier to justify a slightly longer stay or a special weekend getaway when you know that points will reduce the overall cost. In this way, loyalty programs do not just provide discounts, but they actively encourage people to travel more often. Hotels benefit from returning guests, and guests benefit from more frequent, affordable trips. It is a cycle that rewards both sides. Some programs include anniversary bonuses, where you receive extra points simply for being a member for another year. Others celebrate your birthday with free gifts, discounts, or even a complimentary stay. These small gestures may not have the same impact as a major upgrade, but they add a human touch. They remind guests that loyalty is recognized not just in financial terms, but also in personal milestones. For frequent travelers, these details can create a sense of belonging that goes beyond the hotel walls. Travelers should also remember that loyalty points do not always expire quickly. In many cases, they remain valid for months or even years, as long as you use them occasionally. This allows even infrequent travelers to accumulate rewards at their own pace. Some guests worry that they will never reach enough points for a free night, but this is often not true. By combining points with occasional promotions or partial redemptions, rewards become accessible much sooner. The key is to track your account regularly and not let opportunities pass by. A valuable strategy is to register for multiple programs, not just one. Since most memberships are free, there is no downside to joining several. You never know when a specific hotel might be the best option for your trip. Having memberships in place allows you to collect points no matter where you stay. Over time, you may notice one program giving you more value, and that can become your main focus. But in the beginning, having multiple accounts ensures you are always covered. This flexibility is especially useful for travelers who visit different regions or countries. Loyalty programs also have a psychological effect that benefits guests. By feeling connected to a hotel group, travelers often experience less stress when booking. They know what to expect in terms of service, comfort, and perks. This familiarity reduces the anxiety of trying something completely unknown. It is a form of travel insurance in itself, predictable, reliable, and rewarding. While exploring new places is exciting, having a consistent base to return to makes the entire journey smoother. This is why many guests eventually prefer to stay within the same hotel network. The digital side of loyalty programs has also improved in recent years. Mobile apps now allow guests to track points, book rooms, and even unlock doors without a key. Some apps provide maps of the hotel, room service ordering, or live chat with staff. All of this is connected to your membership, making your stay more convenient. These features show that loyalty programs are no longer just about collecting points, but about creating a seamless travel experience. Technology is becoming a major part of how loyalty is rewarded. Another lesser-known benefit is status matching. If you have a certain level of membership with one hotel, another hotel might recognize it and give you similar benefits right away. This means you do not always have to start from zero when trying a new program. Status matching helps travelers expand their options without losing the progress they have already made. It is a competitive strategy that hotels use to attract new loyal guests, and it works in your favor if you know how to ask for it. Finally, loyalty programs often give members a stronger voice. Guest feedback carries more weight when it comes from someone who has shown commitment over time. Hotels are more likely to act on suggestions or concerns when they see that the person providing them is a loyal member. This can lead to faster improvements in service or even special accommodations to meet your needs. It is another example of how loyalty translates into influence, making you more than just a guest. In conclusion, hotel loyalty programs are not reserved for frequent travelers or luxury seekers. They are designed to create a system where every stay has the potential to give back. From free upgrades and exclusive discounts to personalized service and long-term trust, the benefits are wide-ranging and accessible. The secret is not about spending more, but about understanding how to use the system in your favor. By joining and actively engaging with these programs, travelers can transform ordinary trips into rewarding experiences. Loyalty in travel is not just about hotels recognizing you. It is about making every journey smarter, more affordable, and more enjoyable.